And this is how modern factories produce crayons from start to finish.
Easy, easy.
From supplier to factory, the journey of creation continues without pause.
Color awaits its moment, measured and ready to bring joy to life.
Ready for red batch. Got it, bring the jack in.
Every delivery is a promise, handled with care and purpose. Hands, raw potential moves toward transformation.
Batch checks out, move it to red zone 3.
Every ingredient tracked, every step verified, excellence demands accountability.
Organized systems turn complexity into clarity, chaos into creation.
Third level red zone secured.
Batch R7734 stored and logged. In perfect order.
Forklift logged, proceed to station 4.
Through these doors, raw materials begin their final transformation into tools of imagination.
Where science meets art and precision meets imagination, the Crayon Factory stands ready.
Morning, Sarah.
Hey, got that new batch schedule?
Yeah, red and blue today.
Every day begins with people who care, people who create, people who understand their craft.
Preparation is ritual. The transformation from person to craftsperson begins here.
You see the production numbers yesterday?
Hit target by 2 p.m.
Dressed for purpose, protected for safety, ready for excellence.
Through layers of care and protocol, quality begins before the work even starts.
Morning shift. Let's hit 200K today.
This is where raw ingredients become childhood memories, where chemistry becomes creativity.
Martinez, you're on tank 4 today. Red batch, we need 50 gallons by 10 a.m. for the molding line.
Got it, boss. Red botch tank 4. Every station.
Before color enters the process, every particle must meet exacting standards of purity.
Particle size uniform, color saturation excellent, approval confirmed.
Blue batch, all clear.
Blue batch also clear.
Raw materials stripped to their essence, inspected with uncompromising eyes.
Good, good. This one's off color, set aside. Next block clean.
Transformation begins with reduction, from solid blocks to fragments ready for rebirth.
Heat and motion conspire. Patient physics turns fragments into flowing potential.
Measured to precision, color arrives at the threshold of transformation. Art meeting science in perfect proportion.
Pigment mixing tank 4, maintain ventilation protocols.
Color meets canvas. 4 kilograms of pigment transforms 50 gallons into possibility.
Through relentless motion, separation becomes unity. Science ensures every crayon shares identical color.
Stearic acid addition complete.
Temperature on target.
Pressure building. 12 psi, 15, we're good.
Through arteries of steel and heat, color flows toward its ultimate purpose, the hands of children.
Plate 17 clear.
Zone at target temp, 65 degrees.
Machinery awakens. Thousands of cavities await their purpose. Precision awaiting color.
First cycle clean, temps holding, fill rates nominal.
Liquid potential poured into precise vessels. Each cavity holds tomorrow's masterpiece, measured to perfection. Through controlled cold, liquid memory crystallizes. Heat retreats, and form emerges permanent and precise.
Batch 114, tips clean, color uniform, no visible defects, approved. Pass, minor defect detected. Pass, pass.
Identity bestowed, each crayon receives its name, its purpose declared in bold letters.
From singular purpose to collective joy, 24 colors unite, the artist's palette prepared.
Packaging line optimal, output rate 42 boxes per minute.
Transformation complete, from liquid and powder to product and promise, ready for the world.
Bundle 891, shrink wrap uniform, seal complete, approved for packing.
Protected and preserved, bundle sealed, ready to journey from factory floor to eager hands. Case packing optimal, weight verification consistent, no rejects this hour.
Package for journey, from 6.
Human hands give way to tireless precision. Robotic automation stacks destiny with millimeter accuracy.
Palette 17 at 60%, tracking nominal.
Layer upon layer, precision upon precision, the robot builds mountains of color without rest or error. Encoded and identified, each palette speaks in digital language, tracked from factory floor to final destination.
Robotic vehicles navigate seamlessly, delivering precision without pause or error.
Line 2 to 30 crayons per minute. Monitor for quality variance.
Molding line 2 speed adjusted.
Behold the symphony of industry, where chemistry, machinery, and human dedication
Batch R7734, dimensional compliance confirmed, all parameters nominal.
Color is identity, measured in wavelengths and numbers, verified by both machine precision and human eye, consistency across millions.
Batch R77334. Mechanical properties.
Southern sect.
Production copies.
From factory floor to shipping door, approved quality now begins its journey, carrying childhood joy toward waiting hands.
7734, microbiological testing complete. Total aerobic count left. Quality to warehouse. Batch R7734, red crayons fully approved.
Pallet 05 through 017 cleared for immediate shipment. Bring it forward, position 12 right side.
Precision in motion. Each pallet positioned perfectly. Weight balanced. Journey beginning toward destinations where creativity awaits. Load accepted. Atlanta Distribution Center. Estimated arrival 2100 hours.
Safe travels. Load is secure.
Hub to retail destination. Inventory managed, orders fulfilled. The supply chain flows seamlessly from warehouse to store.
Wait to inspire the next masterpiece.
There's red and blue and yellow.
Can't wait to see what you'll create.
Transaction complete, journey finished. From industrial precision to small hand.
First stroke, first creation. Manufactured precision meets childhood imagination, and color becomes...
And this is how modern factories produce crayons from start to finish, combining chemistry, engineering,